the
Light panel different.
This one, this one.
Oh.
Very thin, like a paper. So the LED panel is only like one paper sheet.
Oh, the
And,
paper sheet.
Easily change the shape.
Oh.
And also can dimmable. And adjust the light intensity.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. So this is their product. Install them.
Okay, DNP.
Nihon Print Company.
Nihon Train.
Print. Insatsu. Print.
Train.
Printing. Yes.
Oh.
So they produce. That's why. Can you see their products like the paper printing?
Very thin.
Yeah.
They keep that concept there.
Yes.
Oh. Sensei, what do you think? When you see here, you see another kind, maybe one variety, but different in something different. So what will